First thing we're going to do is set the flybar lock up about like this with the vertical scales are up higher than they would normally be. And be sure you lag one blade like this. Just bring it back so that you've got one side of the flybar up high. And then take the flybar lock and put it over that high one. Just get it kind of semi-lined up. Attach the bridge and line that. Just line the vertical scale up with the flybar. Now we're going to take this, the one that's in contact with the flybar lock, we're going to lower it down until the flybar is just about level. I'm going to eyeball it. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to lower this one down until it's in contact with the flybar. I'm off just what I'm doing, I'm comparing the scales. You can see they aren't identical. So what I want to do is make them identical. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise this one up just a couple, maybe 2 or 3 thousandths of an inch. And then I'm going to lower this one. I compare them the same amount. They're the same. And if you've only got one head that you're going to be using this thing on, what you can do is use a tool like this and then scratch a line across there. You might be able to see where I've done this for my T-Rex 600 right here. So next time I go to set it up, I can preset this thing, screw it on the head, and boom, I'm done. Well, there you are. The flybar is level. We're ready to check our pitch, check the swash plate, make sure it's level, or check for interaction. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you how to store it. Okay, there's your stored flybar lock. We've got 3mm holes in the bridge, and you simply take the vertical scale nuts out and screw them in there and hold the vertical scale to the bridge. I like to jam this one up against the bridge nut, and in addition to that I put a 3mm lock nut on there. And this one I leave it out a little ways so that that valuable paper clip doesn't get damaged. So there you have it. Throw that in your toolbox and you're ready to go.